MOOCK 1500A Peak 20800 mAh car jump starter, up to 8.0L gas, 6.0L diesel engine, 12V auto battery booster, portable power pack phone charger with smart charging port, built-in LED light. POWERFUL and compact, this emergency jump starter offers 1500 peak current to start 12V engine vehicles, up to 8.0L gas or 6.0L diesel, works for your cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, subs, lawn mowers, yachts, ATVs, SUVs and etc. External battery charger, with 20,800 mAh battery capacity and smart USB charging ports, it can provide sufficient power to charge your mobile devices anytime like laptops, include 8-in-1 laptop adapters in the package, tablets and other devices. It's not only a battery booster, but also a portable battery backup. Advanced protection technology, intelligent jumper clamps of jump starter with safety protection including overcurrent protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, overcharge protection and high temperature protection will effectively keep you and your vehicles away from danger. Lifesaver, this LED flashlight has bright, strobe and SOS modes which is handy for daily, outdoor activities and emergencies to use, meets all your various needs. What you get: jump starter MK1500, heavy-duty jumper cable, AC adapter, car charger, USB charging cable, 8-in-1 laptop charging cable, user guide, storage bag. It can be a perfect choice for anyone who drives. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.